Digital rights are human rights that are existing offline, and you take them within you in the online environments that you go. So human rights are already existing rights that people have, just applied in an online context and working with digital technologies. The Cities Coalition for Digital Rights is a network of cities united in spirit and ambition to uphold human rights at the local level in digital context.
As the City Council rolls out and embraces more digital services that are going to meet the needs of our citizens and our communities, we need to be really mindful of the impact on their digital rights and how we can make sure that everybody benefits. We want to help equip our staff with the right skills and the right thinking so that when they're working on developing and delivering these new services, that they can do it in a way to make sure those services are accessible and that they're deployed in a way that's respectful of privacy.
Dublin faces similar challenges as other cities around the world regarding responsible use of technologies and ethical use of algorithms. We are working with Dublin City Council to develop a workshop on ethics and privacy for local authorities. Dublin is actually becoming part of a global network of cities such as Amsterdam, Barcelona, Portland, who are willing to work on protecting and promoting human rights offline and online.
So today's pilot workshop is delivered through the Academy of the Near Future, which is a partner project between Dublin City Council and the Connect Research Centre at Trinity College Dublin. What we're trying to achieve is we're going to upskill local authority staffers about new and emerging technologies and how they impact the city, especially in Dublin. Today's workshop will be looking at a use case of delivery robots on the Dublin streets through the lens of privacy and ethics of deploying technology in the Dublin City Centre.
The pace of change of technology is just happening so fast, and it's really important for cities to really understand the implications of this. Our Smart City programme is really trying to bring the organisation along on this journey, and it's initiatives like this and how we can upskill staff that are so important. For us, this is just the start of the journey, and we really hope to scale up this initiative working with the UN, and we're really looking forward to seeing what the future can bring.